Otubaka cake. Turnoting like the taste of a cake you made in your own kitchen. Baking a cake a simple measuring ingredient, mixing them in the right order, en remembering to take the cake out of the oven before it burn. Ria donc to learn to bake très basic cake, chocolate cake, apple cake, en vanilla pound cake. Scroll to the bottom for tip on how to follow a cake recipe. Making vanilla pound cake. Get your ingredient. Pound cake one of the simplest cake to bake. The royal need. 1 cup salt butter, softener. 1 cup sugar. Pinch of salt. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 5 eggs. 2 cups cake flour. Preheat oven to 325 degrés. Graise a cake pan. Pound cake are best baked in deep pan, suchalaf pan urbain pan. Cream te butter en sugar. Place te butter en sugar in a mixing bowl en bit tem to jeter until to mixture light, fluffy en creamy. Add egg en vanilla. Keep to mixture until the egg are completely incorporated. Stir in the cake flour. Keep ton mixer on low use a wooden spoon to stir the flour in habitat until it just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix it. Pour te batter un tot pan. Use a spatula to scrape down to side of the bowl. Bake the cake for environ 15 minutes. The cake finished when a toothpick inserted in the center come out clean. Making chocolate cake. Get your ingredient. 3-4 cups salt butter, room temperature. 3-4 cups sweetened cocoa powder. 3-4 cups flour. 1-4 teaspoons salt. 1-2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 cup sugar. 3 eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1-2 cups buttermilk or sour cream. Preheat oven to 350 degrés. Grease your cake pan. You can use around the standard cake pan, a square baking dish, a lave pan, a bent cake pan, or whatever you have on. Make sure to grease it well with butter or cooking spray so the cake won't stick to the pan when it baked. Mix the wet ingredient in a large bowl. Place the butter, egg, vanilla extract, sugar, and buttermilk in a bowl. Use a whisk or a mixer to blend ingredient well. Wet ingredient in cake recipe are generally toast have moisture. Sugar is often listed as wet ingredient, though, even to get is actually wet. Wet ingredient are usually mixed first in a large bowl. Dry ingredient are mixed separately and added later. It's important to follow instruction regarding the texture of the butter in cake recipe. If you use melt butter or softened butter it call for, the cake could come out ruined. In this case the recipe call for room temperature butter. You can plan ahead by setting the butter out while you jet the rest of the ingredient ready, so it time to come to room temperature. Mix the dry ingredient in a separate bowl. Place the flour, salt, cocoa powder, and baking powder in a small bowl. Stir them to jet until they are well incorporated. Add on dry mixture to the wet mixture. Beat the mixture on until te batte comme to jeter en eau with a bit of flour romain. Pour te batter un tot cake pan. Use a spoon or spatula to scrape the side of the bowl so every bit of batte make it un tot pan. Put pan into oven and bake the cake for 30 minutes. Check the cake progress every so often to make sure it doesn't burn. The cake is ready when a toothpick inserted in tot middle come out clean, rated and coated with batter. Take the cake from the oven and let it cool. Set it on the counter and let it cool for about 5 minutes before handling it. Invert the cake onto a plate. Use whatever plate you're planning on using to serve the cake. Let the cake cool completely before frosting. If you try to add frosting to the cake while it's still warm, the frosting will melt and run off the side. Make some chocolate buttercream frosting or plain buttercream frosting, or an IoT kind of frosting. Enjoy. Making apple cake. Get your ingredient. The royal need for apple cake. 3-4 cups flour. 3-4 teaspoons baking powder. 4 apples. 2 eggs. 3-4 cubes sugar. Pinch of salt. 1-2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1-2 cubes salt buté, melt. Preheat oven to 350 degrés. Grease your cake pan. 40 recipe you can use a standard cake pan or a spring form pan, which are removable si dans inis if you're serving the cake à party. Melt the butter and allow it to cool. It will come to room temperature before you incorporate it with the ingredient. Stir the dry ingredient in a small bowl. Place the flour, salt and baking powder in a bowl and whisk them to jeter. Prépare the apple. Use a knife or a vegetable pile to peel the apple, then remove the core. Slice the apple into bit sized chunk. Blend the wet ingredient. Mix to jeter the sugar, egg, butter, and vanilla. Add on dry mixture to the wet mixture. Stir until the bate is smooth and creamy. Fold in the apple. Use a spatula to gently incorporate the apple into the bate. Don't over-mix the bate, since it will lead to a dense, stiff cake. Pour te bate into the pan. Use the spatula to smooth the top of the bate so even. Bake the cake for about 50 minutes. Ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the cake come out clean. Serve the cake with whipped cream. Following cake recipe. Star ready ingredient list en direction before you begin. Important to have every ingredient need ready to go. You don't want to be running to the grocery store during preparation. The final product can floppy fake ingredient let out. Prepare your cake pan. Be sure to have the correct scissor shape of the pan. Bend cake require bend pan, will otter can be baked in a variety of sizes. Grease pan to avoid the sticking. Use about a half of tablespoon of butter or vegetable shortening on a paper towel en rub inside of the pan. Sprinkle about a tablespoon or 2 of flour on top. Flour the pan on the side to help the cake adhere to the side a heat back. It will ensure that the top is flat, which is important for layered cake. Check and pas tant excess flour en set the pan to the side. Preheat oven to the required temperature from the recipe. Measure ingrédients accurately as possible en add them into order spécifié. Most cake recipe besoin combining dry ingrédients, flour, baking powder, cocoa, etc., then adding wet ingrédients, egg, oil, and milk. Be sure to take special prerequisite such as sifting, whisking or beating, and packing before adding to the main bowl. Mixed cake batter as specifié on the recipe. Some recipe can be mixed with a standard mixé. Because you steps can instruct to fold in flour or rote ingredient with a rubber spatula. While mixing, stop occasionally to scrape down the side of the bowl with a spatula or spoon to ensure that everything is mixed thoroughly. Pour te batter evenly into te préparer pan. Fill te pan 2-3 of the waffle, at the cake will rise during baking. Gently tap the cake pan on te coin te top to rolls en large bubble in te batter. Place te pan on te santé rack of te preheated oven. Don't allow pan to touch te or te oven wall. Close the oven door en immediately set a time to te specify baking time. If the time range, use the medium or middle B, bake it for 35 minutes for a range of 34 to 36 minutes or 53 minutes for a range of 50 to 55 minutes. Using at medium will ensure that the cake on under overcook. Resist urge to open the oven door during baking, at it will escape and cause the cake to cook evenly. If applicable, turn the oven light on and through the oven window. Check for cake doneness. Gently insert a toothpick or wooden scale in the center of the cake. If it come out clean or with a small crumb on it, the cake is done. If no, place it back in the oven for another 3-4 minutes. Keep testing for the same amount of time until you get the correct result. Place the pan on a navire rack to cool for 15 to 30 minutes. Run a butter knife around the pan edge to loosen side. Place the virac over the top of the pan, invert it, En tapit les tout remove te cake. Les tites cool complète libre fort de coratine sans tit will melt frosting en e-signe. Frostant de corata 2 red.